Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Hello traders and investors. We are providing daily pre-market report and post-market report in our YouTube channel. You can follow the pre-market report as a community post on our YouTube channel called the Opening Edge. Daily pre-market before 8 a.m. we will be posting this. There is a multiple slides covering the market mood meter, global indices, FID data and stocks in focus, etc. in the pre-market report. As well as we are providing a video every day after 7 p.m. in our YouTube channel as a opportunity radar for the next day, the post market, which will cover the end of the day analysis of index performance, sector moves, options data, unusual volume and tomorrow's conviction picks. Today all the three indices closed in red, especially the Nifty fell 0.48% and Bank Nifty down 0.80%, but private banks didn't fall much. Overall market mood is bearish for today. Also there is a weekly expiry and monthly expiry for Nifty tomorrow. IT sector is the major dragger today because of persistent system. There is a modest buying. In this weekend, we have seen a modest buying by the FIIs and a strong buying by the DIs. Previous week until the mid of the week, there is only FII net selling. Slowly from Friday onwards, they are becoming buyers in the Indian market. We have to focus on this data also. But overall, the broader market remained weak for today. Top gainers, pharma sector became the top gainer. Zydus Wellness with a huge volume and strong momentum. Ajanta Pharma also showed a huge momentum. Here, key industries is not from the pharma and Hext is not from pharma. All other four major stocks are from pharma sector, which seems the major top gainer for the day, and mostly IT sector looked very negative for the day. The most negative stock being Persistent hit a 52-week low after an acquisition plan, triggering a panic selling with a 9.75x average volume selling in the counter. So you can clearly see the pharma sector is the most gaining sector today, followed by private bank. All the other sector are negative, especially IT became the major losser for today. As per options data, maximum call and put OI support and resistance are built for Nifty 50 around 24,000. The Nifty put call ratio also shows bearishness for Nifty. Option buildup in stock counters. Long buildup happened in Laurus Lab, Ajanta Pharma, Key and Bharat Forge. Short buildup happened in Persistent, Astral, UPL and UTA Asset Management Company. Short covering happened in Dr. Reddy and Hext. Long unwinding is happened in MFSL, Bharati Hexa and Asahi India. Unusual volume happened in the following stocks. Here you can check the multiple times of volume happened based on the average 20 days volume and the reasons. Zydus fell bullish breakout. Hext has a catalyst and a deal news. Persistent fell on the acquisition panic. MFSL there is a block deal. Asahi India heavy selling. Ajanta Pharma momentum. UPL the agrochem selling created this negative, and key industry cable sector buy due to data center and other AI related sector growth, this becomes the proxy. So tomorrow's watch list, the stocks are not recommendation. These are just for educational purpose and illustration only. You can keep it in watch list and watch for tomorrow's activity. So Laurus Lab, Key Industries and Zydus Well, based on the 4 high conviction being Laurus Lab and Key because of the strong fundamentals as well as momentum in the respective sectors. Tomorrow's Nifty key level is resistance zone 24,025 to 24,075, support 23,800 to 23,900, mid zone, that is the mid zone being 23,962 to 23,938. So key takeaway for 29 June 2026, market is bearish, Nifty is 0.48% bearish and Bank Nifty 0.80% bearish, IT sector being the worst performer. Pharma outperforms. Expiry, the max pain it is at 24,000. So we have to see the weekly and monthly expiry tomorrow. So conviction picks being Laurus Lab and Key with both strong fundamental, high volume and sector tailwind for June 30. This is not a recommendation. This is just a watch list. You have to act based on tomorrow's market condition. Follow us every day for pre-market post in YouTube before 8 a.m. in the morning and post-market videos in YouTube after 7 p.m. in the evening, as well as we will be posting weekly cover up of the market, global market as well as Indian market on Saturday, and we will give a momentum and fundamental based top emerging 30 stocks every week on Sunday. So please follow us on our social media handles, subscribe, give like to our videos and keep your notification on to get whatever useful content we post then and there. Hope this video is very useful for your trading and investing journey. For more details on our premium services, kindly contact us at 763993695 and follow us on our social media handles and YouTube channel for valuable content on trading and investing regularly. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.